Hello friends, welcome to 26th episode of Harmonic Traders. This is your Arunian. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. This is my Telegram channel Harmonic Traders. Do join here and get benefited. With respect to Nifty, these are the weekly Watty numbers. We have buy around 14,362 with stop of 14,254. We have sell around 14,945 with stop loss of 1537. Target for sell is 14,853 and target one for buy is 14,470. What is positional and the SL is always on day candle close. If you're a safe player, you can always exit on 15-minute candle close. With respect to OT, ignore the strikes of 50 and go with strikes of 100 for Nifty. You could join in our AE channel Stock Times to get more info on the OT calls. These are the past performance of our OT. So far, we have completed more than 8,200 points in Nifty OT. And we do have also completed 462% return in WAT. WAT calculation requires an Excel. If you need that Excel, you could register in our website and you will be getting the Excel within 48 working hours. You could learn WAT from this particular video. So we have already shared WAT in multiple languages. Do check in our YouTube and get benefited. With respect to investment picks, we have Biocon, Berger Paints, Britannia, and TCS. So if you are an active investor, you can just come to our website, search for this harmonic charts. So you could see all our past investment charts as well. Berger Paint, you can add a 30% near 682, another 30% near 642. The major support is 614, target is 722, 762. TCS, you can add a part in 2912, another part near 2880. The major support is 2862. Britannia, you can add 30% near 3361, another 30% near 3340. The major support is 3291. Biocon, you can add 30% near 370, another 30% near 340, and the major support is 299. These are the past performance of our investment picks. Once again, if you are an active investor and if you want to get added in our HT investor channel for free, check the details in description of this particular video. You need to open an account under Alex Blue under our referral, and once the process are completed, you will be added to our HT investors channel. So these are the past investment returns of our charts which are shared in our YouTube. Overall, the net cumulative return is more than 1,300%, and the average return in 35 scripts is 30%. With respect to Astro, you could check for the Astro alert for this particular week, and also like we have launched a new series in HT Astro. You could check this particular video. You could check this particular video, Gan Astro episode 1. So we have covered the basic relationship of the planets and one's own relationship. Okay, so how come the planets of one is affecting his family members and the vice versa. So you can just check this particular video. PRT stands for potential reversal time, and so far we have completed 2,500 points in PRT with the latest spin April 29. More than 200 spin points got in Nifty PRT. PRT, we have separate paid service. If you are interested, you could contact us and take the paid service. Options, new expiry have started. So far, we have completed more than 6,400% return in last 3 months. As promised, we will be continuing to share free option calls and do follow these rules in our free calls as well. Never ever average in options. Always trade with your risk appetite. Once you have completed 20K plus profits, then you could start entering into the positional calls by reinvesting part of the profits already made. Always use a trailing stop loss and amplify your profits. Okay. So far, like we have completed more than 6,400 percentage in options. All those highlights you could check in our Telegram channel. So these are the recent highlights. Britannia completed more than 353% return, PEL 340%. Adani Ports Hero or 560 percentage return, and Nifty Bank Nifty as well, 300 plus returns. So all these were available for free in our Twitter, our members to make the profits. So these are the charges of our option services, and we have recently launched index option services. If you are interested, you could join index option and get benefited. We have recently launched a new thread with respect to mutual fund. So like here I will be sharing, like whenever I'm adding in Nifty on the LSS or the tax saving mutual fund, I'll be updating in the Telegram channel. So if you are an ELS lover and if you are the one who used to wait in dip and keep adding, you could just follow either my numbers or the numbers below my entry. For example, if I'm adding at 14,276, you can add a part below 14,276. So this thread will be continuing till March 2021, and we also have shared another video how to select a mutual fund. So what are the qualities a good mutual fund should have? You could check this video, Mutual Funds Made Easy. We have also shared in Tamil as well. So you can just check how to select a mutual fund and get benefited. We do have already shared a lot of educational videos, harmonics basis, how to mastermind BTT. You can subscribe to your YouTube channel, check the videos, and once again get benefited. Recently, we launched something called Home Strategy. So this was shared in a free webinar, and right now this particular video is available to our website users and YouTube subscribers. So this is one sample snippet of Home Strategy. So Home is 100% reversal strategy. So by 9/18 we know the scripts, the reversal scripts for Home Strategy. And post 9:30 we will be in a position to initiate our reversal trades. We know the crystal clear entry, stop loss, and target. So if in case you need the Home video, you could register in our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel. After you have completed these two, within 48 hours, you will be getting the video access, and there is an Excel with respect to this Home Strategy. The same thing will also be shared with you. So this is our services page. If you're interested in any of our services, you could reach us to WhatsApp or chat with us. Do trade with small SL always, and take care of you and your beloveds during this hectic COVID time. Okay, even staying indoor is not helping in many places. Just ensure you are 100% isolated, and do take care of elderly and the kids. Take care, friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.